So yeah, I wanted to show you real cute. We went to Burlington to get something for my husband, and I found this in the makeup section, and I grabbed it. It's called the Heart Glow Highlighter by Beauty Treats, and it's like a lavender color or a lilac-y. It's like a pinkish purple color, and I tried it out. And it's nice. So I thought that was cute. I just wanted to show you that. But yeah, so I do have news for you. If you have a 7-Eleven, from what I understand, I thought we had three 7-Elevens, and if we do have another one, I for some reason I can't get it on Google anymore. Because from what I understand, there was one out in Houston, and then one in Sugar Land, and then one in Alvin. I go to the one in Alvin because that's where my kids' doctors are, and our dentist is there. So, never been to the one in Sugar Land, but they have been selling out their makeup. Buy one, get two free. Where the freak was that sale when I bought all that makeup before? But basically what I did is I stocked up on like facial wipes. I don't use washcloths anymore because I was getting styes. I'm getting pimples because due to menopause. So I try to use a fresh wipe every time I'm doing my face. So I just stocked up on wipes. I stocked up on the the sponges. I know that people don't like them because they say they're hard. They're too hard, but I love it's very, very pointy, and I can get into my inner corners that I don't really have. But my eyes are so deep set that I use that, and so yeah, and I wound up just getting like the eyeshadows that I didn't get and the lipsticks just because it was two free for the price of one. So yeah, so I also if you're into Selena, I had gotten the Selena bag at HEB. They have 2 years in a row. I didn't even know they had it last year, so I didn't even see it. They sold out like I think in like less than an hour. And Stripes has Selena cups. They've been doing that, I heard, for about 3 years now. But I got the 3 from this year, and I got the HEB Selena from this year. So if you live in Texas, if you have Stripes, an HEB near you, I got in the game late with the cups, but I just visited different Stripes and got all 3 cups. And they're really, really cool. And these are the cups. This is my favorite. It's like a purple color, and it's just beautiful. And then it says Selena. See, and that's the Stripes logo, if you can see it there. This was the first one. My favorite was the third one, but this was the first one, and it's and this was the second one. So these, I heard, started coming out like earlier this year, but you might be able to still find them, if you try to visit different Stripes stores. I'm trying to not let the light flash in it, see? So yeah. So, that's the news I have for you for now. Because right now it's May, and the summer collections have come out already, and by August, so we got a little bit of time, hopefully, before we get slapped with another collection. But in August, all the Halloween collections will start coming out late August, definitely September. But for now, really, no other news I can give you. Just if you're interested in Selena and you're in Texas, you can go to Stripes or HEB and get some stuff for that. And then, so yeah, if you have a Burlington, I don't really buy makeup from Burlington, but sometimes they have like stuff they're trying to sell out. I found Physicians Formula there. It was interesting, but I think they have like off name beauty brands, but I thought that was so adorable. I just had to get that, and it was $5. Normally they said it was 10, but it was half price at 5. So yeah. So I will see you next week. I don't even remember if I have appointments next week, so I'll see you next week. I'm gonna get those swatches out to you, and so yeah, see you next week. Love you. Mwah.